Hello and welcome to the Cocktail Hour. We're going to be talking about how to make the perfect gin and tonic, and we're going to be looking at 5 classic G&T mistakes. So number one would be not using enough ice. If you only add a few pieces of ice to your G&T, they will melt quickly and dilute it. If you fill your glass, however, to the very top, your G&T will remain cold all the way to the end of your drink without diluting your precious gin. Mistake number 2 would be not chilling your tonic. When a tonic is cold, it holds its carbonation better. When a carbonated drink is poured over ice, the contact points with the ice let the CO2 escape, releasing the aroma of the gin and tonic. Mistake number 3, not using an appropriate glass. Now, choosing the right glassware with any cocktail is essential. And yes, a G&T is classed as a cocktail. Using something like a gin balloon is absolutely ideal as it traps the aromas, has enough space for plenty of ice, plenty of tonic, and for your aromatics and garnishes. Mistake number 4, not finding the right G&T ratios. Now, not all tonics and gins are a match made in heaven. You have to choose carefully. And what I've seen is an absolute explosion in the types of tonic water. I remember the days when it was just a slimline tonic or just a regular Indian tonic. But now there are so many different types of gin, different types of tonic. Try the gin on its own first, then try it with a variety of different tonics and with ratios of gin to tonic. It is a case of experimentation, but my advice would be, there's really no point having flavoured tonic waters and putting, highly aromatic or flavoured gins with it. It will just clash. It won't be a match made in heaven. So I think let's look at it that, if you're going to go with a very good aromatic gin, you really want a plain tonic water. But even then, all tonic waters are varying so much in style, and you really need to be having a little test of that and a little experimentation before you go pouring yourself a large glass. Now, mistake number 5 is not bringing your garnish to the game. Always look at the botanicals in the gin first. Do look at what style of gin you've got, do look at what's there, and then choose a garnish which complements the botanicals that are in that gin. Garnishes make your G&T look wonderful, but they also help to pep up the gin and enhance the flavour. So they are more than just for prettiness. And that's it. If you follow those 5 rules, then you should end up with the absolutely perfect gin and tonic that you will just fall in love with. Chin chin.